Look at all these boats. Cranes in the background working. Look, can you see that crane working?
Oh yeah.
The container.
There's a fair few boats in this marina.
Yeah.
Yeah, very nice.
There's another boat coming up. I suppose he's going out there, isn't he?
He wants to go out.
Into the locks, or...
Yeah, I suppose they can probably get about half a dozen boats.
Yeah.
Smallish boats.
Gosh, look at how tall that is up there. Just come to the lock and there's two boats going through. Hi everyone, well we've arrived at Thetford. It's lovely, look at all the trees. Oh, got the sun there, sorry. We've set up here, just back up a bit. We had to leave the pegs sticking out a little bit because the ground is absolutely solid. This is where we've plugged into the electric, to that bollard there, side of the motorhome. And we're on pitch number 26. So we're all pitched up.
Oh, hiya everybody. Yes, we're all systems a go.
Yeah, Archie's here, look.
Put the canopy up.
We haven't got fully serviced this time. It's just a pitch with electric. So we're not even using the Waste Master because there is a service point just there. So when we leave tomorrow, we'll be able to just run onto it and then empty all the waste out. And there's water there, and then there's the chemical waste round the corner. We're right at the bottom of the campsite. It's quieter down this end, so she just told us to come and find a pitch and then go back and tell them what number or pitch we're on. So they're walking up now to
Reception.
reception, yeah.
To tell them what pitch we're on.
Yeah. So there's lots of motorhomes and caravans, obviously. That's a grass side. Lots of grass pitches. There's another service point just there.
And the Alson point.
Sun is still shining. Here, Tony's just gone off on his bike. to see what he can find. We've just been a walk with Archie and we're back here. We're just chilling, aren't we, Archie? It's a bit warm for you, isn't it, my boy? So I'm just going to chill now. I think I'm going to make another cup of tea. Just here. Because I'm ready for one. Ooh, let me just open that out. There we go. I'll put that just there. Have a chat to you while I'm doing the cup of tea. So, yeah. It didn't take us too long to get here. It was about an hour and a half, maybe not quite so long. But when we did arrive, there's a tank outside on like a grassed area, and when we looked down, it looked as though you couldn't go down the road because they've got like tree trunks across, and then there's like a hump, and as you look down, it looked like the tree trunks were right across the road, and there's no signs that say motorhome and caravan and motorhome club site at all. Our first impressions were it's not here, so we set off and went a bit further on, but the sat nav directed us back here, and then we came down the lane again and we realised that we were going the right way and we just had to turn right. But I mentioned it to the lady at the reception. I said, you really ought to have a sign saying caravan and motorhome club site at the entrance. And she said, oh, we can't. I said, oh dear, why is that then? And she said, because there's a new guy and he's head of the forestry, and we had a sign up and he made us take it down. But anyway, we had a laugh at the reception, and she says we have tried and they have said we could put a sign up, but it has to be on a tree trunk. And she said, and all the on the entrance, she said it's just foliage right down to the floor. She said, so there's no way we can put anything up. So anyway, there you go. We found the campsite, so that's the main thing. As I say, I'm going to have a cup of tea now and chill out for 2 minutes before Tony gets back. So, I'll see you in a bit. Bye for now. Morning, everyone.
Morning, folks.
Hope everybody's okay.
Yeah.
Well, we're at Thetford Forest. We'll just tell you a little bit about what we did yesterday after leaving the rally at Shotley. We had a drive down, didn't we, to the marina there.
The Shotley Marina, which
yeah,
was,
it was lovely.
Yeah.
Lots of lovely boats, wasn't there, to have a look at?
Yes.
In the harbour.
A nice little cafe.
Yeah, it's a restaurant, wasn't it?
Restaurant come cafe. You can even stay there. Bed and breakfast.
Yeah, it was lovely. Yeah. So we had a coffee and that there, didn't we?
Yeah, yeah.
And then we had a stroll up and down, and then you popped into the museum. Ooh, you popped into the museum, didn't you?
Yes, that's quite fascinating. Yeah, I did. It's dedicated to HMS Ganges, and the base was used in the harbour to train seamen.
Yeah, so you had a walk round there, didn't you, while I just stayed outside with Archie. But after that, we set off from there on to Thetford. So we arrived here, what was it, about 2-ish?
About 2 o'clock.
Something like that.
Yeah.
We found a nice pitch at the bottom end of the site. It seems it's all on one row, isn't it, with pitches either side?
Yes.
And we went to the bottom.
Yeah, there's hard standing and grass pitches.
Yeah, I think there's about 80 pitches in all.
Total, yeah. And I think it's spread evenly between grass and hard standing. And
it's all in the forest.
Yeah.
So if you like cycling, there's lots of cycle paths around here.
There is.
You went out on your bike, didn't you?
Yes, I went exploring around the area, and there's loads of cycle paths, dog walks.
Yeah, there's there's little gates every, I don't know how
every
many.
so often.
Yeah, up the site, and they go into the forest. So they're the dog walks. So we've done a few of those while we've been here.
Yeah.
It's a very, very peaceful site. It isn't an adult only site. It is for families as well. But it's lovely, isn't it? Robin's visitors this morning. They do say that there's quite a lot of squirrels here, but we haven't seen any, have we? And it does say on the bottom of the letter from the Camping and Motorhome Club that the squirrels can damage your camping wear, so be prepared. I've only just read that now, actually, but they've not been to visit us anyway.
Dun, 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 the dreaded squirrels.
Yeah. So anyway, so that's that. The cost of the one night stay was £28, and the Caravan and Motorhome Club site have now reduced their deposits back to £5. So I only had to pay a £5 deposit. And then, as I say, the total was £28 a night. I don't think that's too bad, is it? Just for a night.
Yeah, there aren't any shower or toilet facilities, so be aware.
Yeah, so Tony couldn't go and investigate.
No, so I had a shower in the van, which is quite rare for me.
He doesn't normally have, well, you've had a couple, haven't you, in the van, but he usually uses the facilities. But it was fine, wasn't it?
Yeah.
He had a shower first, and then I had a shower, and then I cleaned the shower out.
Clean the shower.
I can't trust Tony to clean the shower.
Can't you?
No, because you wouldn't do it right.
Not to your standards anyway, Julie. No.
So you've got to come with your own facilities.
Yeah.
As I say, there's no toilets or showers. No. So, I mean, I don't think we'd want to come here more than a couple of nights, would we? I think because of that reason. Yeah.
Plus, it is out of the way. If you haven't got a car, then you're more or less stuck here.
Unless you take the van out, obviously. But there are places to visit, aren't there? If you have a look.
Yeah, let's have a look. According to the leaflet, there's Bury St Edmunds, isn't far away. Norwich, Cambridge aren't too far away. And of course, there's a national cycling network, so you can cycle to your heart's content.
Yeah.
There's also a memorial to the desert rats who trained here during World War II, and it's a quite famous outfit.
Yeah, but it was closed. You went and had a look, didn't you?
There's a little museum which was closed. I suppose it's Monday to Friday. And as you enter the site, there's a tank on a plinth.
Yeah, you'll see that on the video.
Yeah, and so that's the memorial.
So if you're interested in that, but if you want to go to the museum, do check the times.
Yeah.
Because as I say, it wasn't open when Tony went and had a look, was it? No. So I think that just about wraps it up, doesn't it?
It does. We just need to get packed up.
Yeah, we don't really want to move because it's that peaceful.
And it's warm and sunny.
Yeah, the sun's shining again. I think it's going to be hotter today, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, before I go, I've had it mentioned to me a couple of times in the comments. When we went to Sheringham, I said I was going to buy another backpack. And I forgot to tell you or show you the backpack I bought. So I said I'd do it in this video.
Oh, right.
So this is my backpack. It's a peach colour, apparently.
Very posh.
And it's got 3 compartments, which are all very good. So I can get all my camera equipment in it. And then it's got another little compartment at the back with a zip. And you can either have it over your shoulders, or you can elongate this and put it over your shoulder or across your body, whatever. So
you've been using that.
So I've been using this. So there you go, everybody. I did buy one. So that's about it, isn't it?
Yes.
Got nothing else to tell anybody until our next video. Yeah. So take care, and we'll see you all soon.
Bye for now.
Oh, what we haven't done.
What?
Archie's not said bye-bye.
Oh.
Here he is. Oh, sorry, I'm falling over. Here he is, look. He's a bit tired. Oh, look, yawning on. On cue, he's yawning.
On cue.
Yeah, I think it's a bit warm for him. Bit warm, and we've walked him a bit, haven't we? You've been out this morning, haven't you?
We've tied him out.
Yeah. So, as we say, everybody, see you in the next one. Bye for now.